Hi, my name is Rachel Spencer, and I work out here in Southwest Kansas for High Plains Educational Cooperative. I currently live in Ulysses, but when I moved out here to start my practicum with High Plains, I actually lived in Syracuse, so I've moved around a little bit. I am a school psychologist, like I said before, and I really enjoy it. It's pretty exciting, and every day is a new day. It keeps me on my toes. And for example, today I'm just all over the place home visits and IEP meetings and trying to figure out my camera, and the list goes on and on. I am a mama to two beautiful children. Rebecca Ann is 3 and Ian is 1, and they are busy, busy. I also have a online boutique through Facebook called Piece of Cake Teas that, of course, keeps me busy as well. My husband, Levi, farms, so I try to help with that, but I'm more of a farm wife, not a farmer, but that's okay. I do a lot of stuff around town. One of those things is an organization I am in, and it's called Junior Civic. And it's a group of women that raise money for scholarships and put on fundraisers and just help wherever we're needed. I love what I do. I love where I work. It's kind of gets sad living out in the middle of nowhere sometimes, but I love it. High Plains Co-op covers about 10,000 square miles, 18 schools, and I worked in Leota, Tribune, Scott City, Moscow, Rolla, Elkhart. I've been all over the place. So right now I'm in Moscow, 3-year-olds, and I'm working with 3-year-olds to high school. Ulysses, I have 3 and 4-year-olds, and that covers all the home visits and the Head Start classrooms and the preschool in the school district. And then Hugoton, I have 3-year-olds to 6th grade. And I drive a lot. I got a new vehicle in December, and the mileage is just racking up. Students with special needs, that's what I do. This is kind of my thing, so I'm really excited for this class. And just because it's what I do every day does not mean that I can't learn more about it. It's being in this field, whether you're a teacher or a school psychologist, administrator, whatever, you're always learning. With our co-op, I feel that we work together to do the best we can with what we can. And I say that not as to disregard what we do, just it's hard. We live in Southwest Kansas. We are, for example, our PTs come out of Denver and they're here only once a month. So we have to be really organized and plan and get everything together so we can work as a team. Kind of what I do with special needs children right now is I do all initial evaluations, 3-year evaluations, transfer in evaluations, and also all the IFSPs, which is birth to 3, to all of the 3 through 21 or senior in high school IEP transitions. So it's quite a large scale that I do. We have all types of curriculum for students with special needs: Reading Egg, Spell Read, iReady. There's some that I'm sure teachers use that I don't even know about. We do try to keep all of our SPED kids in the classroom as much as we possibly can. That is our main goal, except of course, I think of one student when I say that, and I was trying to do addition with her, and all we wanted to talk about was cats. So bless her heart, she'll get it one day. So I also work with all the teachers to provide appropriate modifications and accommodations. One of the things that's hindering us is we need more paras. Not a huge pool of people out here would make good paras or want to be paras, or they are hired as paras and they're not into their job as much as I think they should be, but I think that's everywhere. Also, we try our best again, and my SPED teachers are amazing. We get a lot of young people out here because we do a lot of loan forgiveness, and the county does a lot of loan forgiveness, and they'll send you to school. So that's a great asset out here for getting new, young, fresh people. The only thing is they leave about after 5 years, but that's okay. Just what I was talking about before, funding. You know, we have to jump around in pairs a lot. Sometimes I'm a para. We just make it work. These are some of my kids that I work with. I pulled this off of one of the teachers' Facebook pages, and I just love what I do. All right, thanks. Bye.